Okay, I'm going to start recording. I'm going to do for the same two variables. X is house prices and Y is the rent. So regression analysis in SPSS, you go to analyze, take notes, then you can practice. Okay, where should I go? We go to regression. Okay, once again, analyze, regression. And for this class, we are doing linear. So click on. So click on linear. Okay, what was the dependent one? So you click on the monthly rent and move it to dependent. What was the independent? So you click on house price and move to independent. Now make a note. You can also move other things to independent. When this happens, it is called multiple regression. Okay, so there are three variables, X, Y, and Z. You can move other variables here as well in independent. But this becomes multiple regression, means the advanced form. So, but for this class, we are doing simple regression. Only one X and one Y. Okay, then all you have to do is click on OK. So click on OK. And a complete new window opens up. Okay, write down how to find R and R square now. First, how to find R and R square. Okay, for that, you look at the model summary. Look at the model summary table. You look at the model summary table, the first value is your R. What is R called? The coefficient of? What was R called? So the R was the coefficient of determination. Oh, sorry, R square was the coefficient of determination. R was the correlation coefficient. So 0.883, what can you say? A strong positive relationship between the house prices and the monthly rent. If the points were going down, you would say strong negative relationship. But the points are going up, so you say strong positive relationship. Okay, the R square was the coefficient of determination. So it's 77.9%. What does it mean? 77.9% of data is accurately predicted. So what you'll have to do is right-click, copy as image, and explain the two things that I just did. Does that make sense? You'll have to right click, copy as image, and then explain R and explain R square. Right, what I just said. Okay, then write down the next thing, how to find the equation of the line. How to find the equation of the line. For that, we will look at the coefficients table. To find the equation of the line, we will look at the coefficients table. The coefficients table here. Okay. To find the equation of the line, we're looking at the coefficients table. And we look at the first column here, B. Only the first column. The first value here is your A. We're trying to find y equals A plus bx. The first value here is your A. 98.879 is your A. And the value of B is the one below it, 0.002. So what is the equation of your line? $98.879 plus 0.002x. Write down, that's the equation of the line. Okay, so the equation of the line is so you'll have to explain. The equation is y equals, what was the value of A? 98.879 plus 0.002x. Does that make sense? And it comes from the coefficient table. Is that right? Right, 0.002. Okay, then what you'll have to do is explain the meaning of A. What does A mean in terms of our problem? It's the y-intercept. So what does it mean? What does it mean in terms of our problem?
Point on y-axis.
So you say when x equals 0, what is x over here? No, but what is the meaning of x here? In our problem, what is x? No, x is house price. So it says when house price is 0, it means when house price is 0, your monthly rent is 98.879. So it means if you live in a really bad house, the minimum rent you will pay is 98.879. If the house is like no value. When the house price is 0, you're expected to pay a rent of 98.879. Does that make sense? And what was the value of B? 0.002. Slope, what does it mean in terms of our problem? When your house price goes up by 1 unit, so if your house price becomes 1, expect your rent to increase by 0.002. Does that make sense? You have to copy the table, put it in a Word document, and explain this below it. All right, that's it for SPSS. This month.